panghinaan, please. I said low volume, not higher. Don't do that. I will get that cell phone from you. So, that's all for tonight's live. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po sa support at pagmamahal at Smiling Face Channel, Sir Demonic, Sir Shernox, kapatid na dumagat gay. Maraming salamat po Sir Jomar Biloria Channel. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Maria Pinay in Germany. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Tina Eats. Maraming salamat po Ate Myrna Alcantara. Maraming salamat po Sir E.R. Kabayan PWD Vlog. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Migs Garfin. Maraming salamat po Ate Amelia Villar, Ate Amis Vlog Entertainment. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Luz with CB Vlogs. Maraming salamat po Sir Lakay Prodal Channel. Maraming salamat po Ate Helen's Vlog Official. Maraming salamat po Sir Farmers Life OFW. Maraming salamat po Kuya Tim Ngani Baya GP Channel. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Spicy D. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, nagbabackread po ako. Baka po may nakalimutan akong i-shout out. Ayun. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Sissy Love and Diary. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Lady in Red Fire. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Inday Mirna. Maraming salamat po sa support at pagmamahal niyo po sa aming live presentation. Maraming salamat po Ate Irene's Diary, Ate Sparkle and Shine. Ang bagong pangalan ng kanyang second monetized channel. Ayan. Maraming salamat po Ma'am The Hair. Ayun. Maraming salamat po maraming salamat po Ma'am Marie Chris Ikit. Ayan po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support at pagmamahal. Highly appreciated po. Sir Gab Paraiso Channel. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Queen Sunshine Music. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Good night na po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, magpapatulog na po ako ng mga kiddos. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa loob ng 3 oras at 8 minuto na pagsama niyo po sa aking live presentation to maintain my watch hour para po sa pag-reapply ko sa March 31. Maraming salamat po. Support ko po kayo palagi. Pag may nakita po kayong Santiago at Padera na apelyido, surname on your comment section, that's all my other accounts. So, ayan, ingat po tayong lahat palagi. So, good night na po. Good night. At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.